Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by preparing both devices. Confirm your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and that Android Auto is installed or available. Next, plug a high-quality USB cable into the phone and the car's data-capable USB port. Inexpensive cables often charge only and won't transfer data. Once connected, unlock the phone and accept prompts to grant location, phone, and notifications access. You'll see an on-screen pairing request on the car display. Tap Accept to begin the handshake and move to Setup screens. Once the phone and head unit are paired, configure how Android Auto appears. Pick projection mode if your car uses a basic mirror, or native integration if the head unit supports full Android Auto. In the phone's Android Auto settings, set navigation defaults, app shortcuts, and display scaling so text and buttons fit the car screen. Make sure voice assistant access is enabled for hands-free control. After adjusting, test map launch and music playback to confirm buttons and touch response behave as expected. Finish by confirming stable operation. Start navigation, make a call, and stream audio to ensure continuity. If the car screen stays blank or apps crash, first reboot both the phone and the head unit. Simple restarts often fix handshake issues. If problems persist, swap to a manufacturer-certified cable or try another USB port, and consider the wireless Android Auto setup if supported. As a final step, clear the Android Auto app cache, update the app and phone OS, and check the head unit firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.